So let's talk about the models we offer. We've got a range of public models, all based on the latest and best open source frameworks. For example, there's DeepSeek R1, which is great at reasoning tasks, DeepSeek V3, a powerful large language model, and even text-to-image models for creative work. Now, when it comes to using these models, there are two main ways to make inferences. First, you can just use it like a chat bot, type in a question like, how do I start a business? And it'll give you detailed reasoning and suggestions. The second way is through the API interface. If you click on the API interface tab, you'll see a curl command that you can copy and use with your token to call the API. And here's a cool thing. Our API follows the OpenAI chat completion standards, so you can also use the OpenAI standard library if that's what you're used to. This gives you flexibility, whether you want to chat directly or integrate it into your own applications.